y'all, it's LanaMor here. I'm back with another video, and to start off this video, I'm going in with that Olay Luminous Whip as a primer on my face. I already washed my face and now I'm priming it with that. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Dermablend foundation, and I'm just taking the little spatula thing that comes with it. And then in the next step, you're going to see me do something really cringing. So don't worry, it's just I've learned that spreading it out like this, what I'm about to do, like with my hands, spreading out my makeup like this, I notice it blends out my makeup way better, because at first I used to like go in like that with the spatula and then do the beauty blender, but then I found like massaging it into my skin first, then going in with the beauty blender makes it look more flawless. And I know I was looking at the lighting and my foundation looks a little washed out in this clip, but don't worry, that is exactly the shade I am. If you see me in person, I won't look ghostly, I promise. So that is definitely my shade. It's just the lighting, I don't know what was going on. But yeah, and now I'm going ahead and covering up my vitiligo with the Dermablend, and then I'm going to also set my face with the original powder. And I like to go in with that Ulta brush to set all my foundation. And also I will have every product that I'm using listed in the description box, because I know I'm not showing them like exactly on point, and I know I'm kind of showing them quickly, so I'll also make sure I leave every product I used in the description box. Next, after I do my foundation, I like to personally do my eyebrows last. What do you guys like to do? Comment down below. I want to know, do you guys like to apply your brows first or apply them after you then applied your foundation? I tried applying my brows first before, and I did not like the way it came out, honestly, me personally. So I just stuck with this method, applying them on afterwards and also cleaning them up. And I am singing, as you can tell. But yeah, I also cleaned them up. I don't think I showed myself cleaning up the second one for some strange reason, but I did clean them both up. So yeah, and if you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, like a more in-depth one, an updated one, I've done 2 already on my channel, but my eyebrows have evolved over time. So if you want an updated one, just be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and that'll let me know whether or not you want a video or not. So yeah, I'm just going in with that NYX concealer. I'm cleaning up the brows, making sure they look on point, because even though this is more like my everyday go-to type makeup, I still need my brows to look on point. Like, they cannot be looking crusty. Like, I still need them looking like, yes, like I will not leave them just like that. I think I did before, like one time, but that was for school. But no, I need to clean my brows up. Most definitely need to clean them up. Alright, then next, I like to put a neutral shadow on my lid. I usually go in with that brown color. So I usually use this palette as my, to put that shade on. I just like to put a brown color, just a neutral shade. And then I put like a lip gloss, and I was kind of looking for my lip liner. That's why I was like all over the place. And I was deciding on the lip color. Usually I go between either a nude lip or a lip gloss that's fairly nude. I don't really do a lot of color because this is something you wear every day, so yeah, you don't want to do that. And this is actually the last step, and then I put on mascara, and yeah, you're gonna see me flaunting the look afterwards. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.